exposed to our enemies, and they fire rockets against us. This part of the hospital is facing the south. So
Protected?
Yes, it's the very last missile hit the street behind the hospital and used huge damage to the hospital. And we had to move all the patients from the rooms facing north to the south, and sometimes 10 to 15 times a day.
Because of the bombs, because of the glass, because...
Yes, but unfortunately, you know, that war, 12, almost 13 years ago, they had missiles, and they could reach Haifa, and there were days with 30 missiles. Since then, today, they rearmed, and they have much more precise missiles. They can reach every point in Israel. We estimate, I don't want to...
Yeah, no, say it.
300 missiles per day on the city of Haifa, which means every 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes a missile. Everybody should have to be...
300 a day.
Bomb, chemical weapons, and biological weapons. It will be fully protected, and we shall have room for 200 patients and staff.
We're going to multiply our partnership. And be a part of this great project. And may I say, may we never ever need it for an emergency. May God protect us, but we want to be a part of this.